हम इसको कहते हैं स्पिरिचुअलिटी में मनसा वाचा कर्मणा, मीन्स माई माइंड, माई थॉट्स, मनसा, वाचा मीन्स माई वर्ड्स, एंड कर्मणा मीन्स मेरा कर्म, तीनों अगर एक लाइन में है, एक ही टोन में, एक ही वाइब्रेशन में है, तो उसका असर ज्यादा होता है एज कंपेयर टू मैंने मन में सोचा घृणा, मुख से बहुत प्यार से बोला और कर्म करते हुए दिखाया इरिटेटेड होकर के, इन्होंने तो मेरी बात माननी ही नहीं है, लाइक इसको कुछ बोलने का फायदा नहीं है, और वहां से चले गए गुस्से से, है ना। मन से सोचा कि इनको मैं ये बोलूं, मेरे को पता है ये तो मानने वाले नहीं है, फिर भी जाके बोला मैंने उनको, मुख से बोला, वाचा ऐसे कर दो भाई, ये काम कर लो तुम, एंड वहां से मैं एक ही सेकंड में गुस्से से रफा दफा हो गया, कर्मणा भी दिखा दी मैंने।
What does it mean? Should we not expect? Should we not say?
It means now if I put myself or if I see somebody else in that situation, I see somebody is thinking those vibrations towards me कि भैया इसको जितनी बारी बोलो इसने सब कुछ उल्टा ही करना है. Now that person comes to me right in front of me. Imagine he speaks very politely, यार ये कर देना, हाँ बिल्कुल ये कर देना, प्लीज कर देना, ये अंदर से सोच के आए हैं, वाइब्रेशन ऑलरेडी मेरे तक पहुंच गई है, वो पर्सन पहुंचने से पहले ही मेरे पास वाइब्रेशन पहुंच गई उसकी. फील होता है ना हमें, हेवीनेस फील होती है. At our solar plexus we can feel the heaviness when we meet a person who doesn't think good about us, or when we meet somebody who doesn't think good about us, we call it a vibration. यार उससे वाइब्रेशन अच्छी नहीं आई मेरे को. We feel it all the time. Everybody feels it. It's not just a mother and child का aspect है जो कि इतने दूर बैठा है ना. Everybody, every day we feel it. So that person comes to me, has got those vibrations, huge energy in his mind created already कि ये तो बिल्कुल ही बुद्धू है, तो सोचने वाला नहीं है, इसको बोलने को कोई फायदा, लेकिन फिर भी ट्राई करते हैं जाके. मेरा फर्ज है क्योंकि मेरे को कंपनी में काम करवाना है, या मेरे को अपने बच्चे को ये बोलना है ताकि अच्छे से पढ़ ले, मेरा फर्ज मेरे को अदा करना है. सो आई कम, आई टॉक टू हिम वेरी पोलाइटली, लेकिन वो एनर्जी लेके आ गया मैं साथ में. सो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू गेट ट्रांसफर टू मी फर्स्ट, एनर्जी और द टोन? Even before that person comes and speaks to me, what is getting transferred?
Yeah,
energy, right?
The energy, yes.
Right? And then that person speaks to me. When that person is really not interested in telling me and has already thought about कि इसको बताने का कोई फायदा नहीं है, how would be that person's body language?
That will be as per his nature.
As per his nature, and also as per what he thinks about me. Like, do we like to face a person face to face when we don't get good vibrations from that person?
You may have to.
By force, right?
Yeah. By force. By duty, whatever, you can't ignore it.
We can't ignore it. But the energy has already been transferred. Now, is that energy which has been transferred, is that going to help me? Is that going to, now I have received the energy from that person, from my boss. Is that energy going to help me to do that work properly?
Yeah, but the energy is the outcome of an experience.
Pardon?
The energy which is in your mind or my mind.
Right.
Right. If I come to you and I know you are not going to do my work. Right. It is, why do I make that opinion about you?
Yes, through an experience.
Through experience. Right.
Through an experience.
So when I'm coming to you again, I'm forced, but I know that this is a person and this is what the outcome is also. So my expectation, because of past and because of the current situation, is the same. So will it reinforce my thought or will it dilute it?
It does reinforce my thought, but the question over here is, if suppose everybody thinks the same way about that person.
No,
right?
It doesn't, because then if the same situation is there, then that person is very honest person.
Sorry?
Because then he is same for everyone.
Yes, okay. Now this is where we understand. That means that person's behavior towards me is different, whereas that person's behavior towards somebody else is different, right?
Yes, right.
Exactly.
The point is that is where you feel the difference.
Exactly.
Right.
So now The question over here is, I need to check myself on the three aspects of Mansa, Vacha, Karma. See, it's an experiment.
Maybe, yeah.
It is an experiment.
Have you understood my concern?
Yes, I'm getting it more clearer now. Okay, the reaction of the person towards you could be different. The reaction of the person towards somebody else could be different.
Yeah.
The same person. Yes, agreeable. Very much agreeable. So I need to check myself on the three aspects of my Mansa, Vacha, Karma. That means my thoughts, my words and my actions towards that person. Now, we generally experience that the person whom we have spoken to have told the same thing which other person might also say. अब जैसे होता है ना कि पापा ने बात बोली तो बच्चे ने नहीं सुनी, लेकिन मम्मी ने जब बोल दिया तो बच्चे ने काम कर दिया, है ना. पापा ने गुस्से से बोला तो बच्चे ने नहीं सुना, लेकिन मम्मी ने जब प्यार से बोल दिया, पुचकार के बोल दिया, तो उसी बच्चे ने वही काम को कर दिया. Have we not experienced that?
Yes.
Have we not experienced with our own self? Our own self. है ना. हमें बच्चे को भी छोड़ दो, हम ही जब बच्चे थे तो डिफरेंस होता था ना. पापा की बात मानते थे, मम्मी की बात नहीं मानते थे कभी कभी. राइट. अंतर क्या है आपको भी पता है, मेरे को भी पता है. मनसा वाचा कर्मणा means a mother when in the same situation, let's say, I'm not being gender biased over here, I'm just taking an example over here. Let's say the father is always getting angry to me and telling me the same thing. But every time the mother tells me the same thing, she every time continuously tells me the same thing in a polite manner. Whenever she tells me, every time she tells me in a polite manner. And I do it. Okay. Now let's say father gets angry with me, tells me to do the same work every time. Now I go to my mother. Sometimes she's very angry with me, she tells me to do the same work. Sometimes she's very sweet with me. Suddenly sometimes she's angry with me, suddenly she's sometimes very sweet with me. So am I going to be confused, or am I going to be seeing her as a person whom I should follow all the time?
Okay, that means that the other person is very right of not being polite with me or biased towards me in a negative way because of me.
It all comes to me.
Yeah, and it is because of me.
Exactly. That's what we're coming to over here, because we can't expect a person to react in a certain manner just by changing my tone all the time. It doesn't mean that now, since my mother, the child is listening to the mother and I observe that as a father, I am like, okay, let me try to be sweet. I'll just change the tone, but I won't change my thoughts towards that child, and I won't change my action towards the child. I'll just change the tone over here. Will that work? Why? If I have not changed the thought towards that child and I'm just changing the tone, if the child first time sees that, okay, ये तो बड़े politely बात कर रहे हैं, चलो मैं कर देता हूँ. But second time, again I go to the father, he tells me to do something, I forget to do it and he gets angry and pissed off with me. पिछली बार तो बड़े प्यार से करा दिया था, इस बार फिर से गुस्सा हो गया पापा, लेकिन पापा बड़ा कंफ्यूज कर देते हैं मुझको.
लेकिन नेचर ही गुस्सा होने की है.
Yes. So एक तरीके से, एक प्रकार से क्या हो गया, एक धोखा भी हो गया ना मेरे साथ में. किस प्रकार का धोखा कि फर्स्ट टाइम जब मैं गया तो गुस्से से बोला, सेकंड टाइम मेरे को अगला दिन आया पढ़ने के लिए बोला, बड़े प्यार से बोला, मैंने देखा बड़ा चेंज आ गया पापा के अंदर, चलो हाँ चलो पढ़ लेते हैं, बड़े प्यार से बोला. थर्ड टाइम क्या हुआ?
Agreed, but there is a catch.
Okay, please.
The child has noticed that change.
Only once, but the second time?
Agreed, but at least once he noticed.
Only once.
Maybe only once or twice or whatever it is. But if the child doesn't notice, then
doesn't notice any change.
Yeah.
Means the father is always getting angry.
हाँ, the father सोचेगा फिर पैसे polite का भी फायदा नहीं है.
क्या लिया? Sorry.
You gave an example where a father, being an angry man, try to speak politely to his child.
Right.
And the child doesn't even recognize. He's bothered.
Okay.
That is one situation.
Right.
But what I would consider a relationship between mother and child or a father and child is still very related, where the consequences are both of them.
Right.
Good or bad. Right. Intent there always is right, maybe. Right. In an office atmosphere, it is competitive. Right. Okay. It is suppressing. It is showing that I'm better or superior than you.
Okay.
So their even intentions are not good.
Okay.
Right. So why the same person is biased? So again, as per the discussion, the thing boiled down to only me. It's because of me, the things are biased towards me.
At one level, yes, but I can't change the other person's nature also. I need to understand one thing.
I do agree.
What I can control is only myself.
Myself, I can control myself, I agree.
Right.
And try to accept whatever is coming my way.
Exactly, but not change my behavior every time to expect to get a different result. Let's say I get angry with this person, subordinate. Now suddenly I go to my office, I say, okay, let me try to be polite with him. Okay, to see a difference whether he changes or not. I get the work done once, I get the work done twice with politeness. The third time I tell him to do the work, he doesn't do it. Now I say, okay, it doesn't work, let me get angry now. So the thing over here is, at the end of the day, my own stability is more important whether the other person does the work or doesn't do the work, first of all.
Or does it conclude it this way?
Yes.
Right. That whether you get angry or not, he's not going to do it.
Okay.
So why to get angry?
Exactly. Why should I lose my stability?
So the objective is not to get the work done.
Objective is to get the work done. Objective is to get the work done, but
because I know the सामने वाला बंदा नहीं करेगा.
Okay, so that is one way of thinking.
So the other way could be anyway he's not going to do it.
Okay.
Right. So either be so clever enough to put it in such a way that by being negative he does positive for you. Put it in another way.
In the sense?
In the sense that if I want to say I need 2 people, you ask for 4 people or 6 people, then he will give you 2 people.
So, okay, handling with different people at different level because everybody's intellectual level is different.
That is one way to do it. Second thing is even if you are convinced that he's not going to do it, right? So be cool about it.
That is second way, and there's another third way also. See, first way is that you use your intellect to make that person get 2 things by asking him to get 6 things. Cleverness.
It is a task of the manager to get the work done.
Work done first level. That means we understand that every soul over there has got a different capacity of intellectuality and understanding and has to be handled in a different manner. That means सबके सामने मैं एक ही बीन बजा करके एक ही चीज नहीं करवा सकता हूँ मैं.
True.
Okay. Second thing which you said is you know that person is not going to do the work, so you keep your calm. That is acceptance of the person's personality. Now the third level of leadership now. First level of leadership we saw. Second level of leadership we saw. That is acceptance. कि नहीं करने वाले. Third level of leadership is that I have a thought that this person will change for sure.
Okay.
This person will change for sure. मेरे मनसा में क्या हुआ? Mind में क्या thought है? I have good wishes for that person that this person will change for sure. Because now this is the mother and child vibration interaction now. Same level. Now we are just removing the relationship of mother and child. We are thinking about 2 souls, 2 energies. I need to forever and every single time in a state of stability transfer the energy that this soul will someday change for sure. Now, I have to do the same thing. I have to tell the person to do the work. In the second state, it was acceptance. कि हाँ करे ना करे मान लिया. But here what I am changing is ये तो करने नहीं वाला नहीं. I am changing that किसी न किसी दिन ये करेगा. So thought को change किया मैंने. Second process वही रखा. Tone से मैंने बोला आप ये कर दो प्लीज. है ना? फर्क क्या है दोनों में? एक में था ये तो करने नहीं वाला है. चलो फिर भी बोलना ही है, मेरा फर्ज बनता है बोलना. थर्ड वाले स्टेज में क्या है? ये करेगा किसी दिन, चेंज होगा. शुभ भावना रखी, शुभ कामना रखी. मीन्स गुड विशेस एंड गुड इंटेंशंस, गुड थॉट्स टुवर्ड्स दैट सोल. एंड फिर भी वही किया मैंने, वही टोन से प्यार से बोला उनको ये कर देना. राइट? दोनों केसेस में मेरा कुछ जा रहा है. एम आई लूजिंग एनीथिंग इन द थर्ड केस? अगर मैं शेयर करूं दोनों चीजों को, अगर सामने सामने रखूं, एक में एक्सेप्टेंस है, मैंने कि भाई तो करने नहीं वाला है, मन सा वो सोचा और मैंने मुख से बोल ही दिया कि भैया ये कर दो जरा। सेकेंड स्टेज है आई हैव गॉट गुड विशेस, नॉट जस्ट एक्सेप्टेंस, आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सेप्टेड हिम इन द सेकेंड स्टेज कि हाँ ये इसके ये नेचर है, चलो लेकिन फिर भी मैं एक शुभ कामना शुभ भावना रखता हूँ इसके प्रति, इस आत्मा के प्रति, क्योंकि इसको मेरे वाइब्रेशंस मिलेंगे, एटलीस्ट मेरे वाइब्रेशन से हो सकता है किसी दिन चेंज हो जाए। सो आई से ओके मे ही चेंज एज अ बिकम अ बेटर पर्सन, सो ओके प्लीज कम हियर, ये काम थोड़ा सा कर देना आप। सेम टोन रखी मैंने, सेकंड केस में भी सेम टोन, थर्ड केस में सेम टोन रखी मैंने। एंड द थर्ड थिंग माई एक्शन। नाउ मनसा वाचा कर्मणा, कर्मणा में दो चीजें आती हैं। कर्मणा में दो चीजें क्या आती हैं? फर्स्ट, जो मैंने सोचा इसके बारे में कि भैया ये चेंज हो जाए, लेकिन मैंने जाके अपने कलीग्स के साथ में या अपने जो और जो मेरे साथ में जो काम करने वाले हैं उनके बारे में बोला, यार ये जो पियून है ना, ये जो चाय वाला है ना, ये बेकार है, कभी चेंज नहीं होगा। इसी मनसा में मैंने बोला ये चेंज हो जाए, लेकिन मैंने कर्मणा में क्या किया? कर्मणा में जाकर के मैंने और वो क्या फैलाया उसके प्रति?
अपोजिट कर दिया।
हाँ जी,
वो उसको नेगेट कर दिया, अपोजिट कर दिया।
एग्जैक्टली। सो मैंने डुअलिटी क्रिएट करी अपने माइंड में।
राइट।
सो मैंने एक पॉजिटिव प्योर एनर्जी क्रिएट करी कि इम्प्योर नेगेटिव एनर्जी क्रिएट करी?
Agreed, but the point is that
now when I give this constant energy of positive thought but a negative action, will it work? It's like going 2 steps ahead and 10 steps back. So now my mansa vacha karmana, that means my mind, what it thinks, what my words speak, and my actions, if they are same, right? As it is in a society, we respect a person who thinks, speaks and does exactly the things which he speaks also, right? मतलब कि आप किसको पसंद करोगे? वही इंसान जो कि सोचता भी है वही, बोलता भी वही है और करता भी वही है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने बोला कि अग्रवाल जी आज मैं, चलो हम एक पॉडकास्ट करते हैं कल। आपने बोला ठीक है। मैं बोला कल मैं आपको कल एक टाइम पे कांटेक्ट करता हूँ मैं आपको। तो आपने बोला कि चलो ठीक है 2 बजे के बाद में करते हैं। मैंने बोला कि हाँ अग्रवाल जी बिल्कुल 3:30 में करेंगे। मनसा भी हो गई, वाचा भी हो गई, राइट? लेकिन जब कर्मणा आई तो क्या किया मैंने? 3:30 पे फोन ही नहीं किया आपको। सो मेरी रिस्पेक्ट किस चीज पर है और वो काम होने के लिए क्या चीज इंपॉर्टेंट है? तीनों चीजें इंपॉर्टेंट है ना, बैलेंस ऑफ 3 थिंग, मनसा वाचा कर्मणा। सो सेम थिंग अप्लाइज व्हेन वी वांट समबडी एल्स आल्सो to receive that energy from us for a change to happen in their life. That means my subordinate or my family member needs all the 3 aspects from my side. It's like okay, मैं same thing अगर मैं अपने फैमिली के साथ में ले लूं, मैं अपनी वाइफ को जाके बोलूं यार ये बच्चे बड़े नालायक हैं, कभी ना कभी तो चेंज होंगे, है ना? मैं चाहता हूं कि ये विवेक जो है, विवेक मेरा बेटा, वो चेंज हो जाए, पर मैं विवेक के पास में जाता हूं तो बिल्कुल नालायक है, तो कभी चेंज नहीं होगा। एंड देन आई कम बैक टू माई वाइफ, मैंने सोचा तो ये चेंज हो जाए, मैंने वाचा से बोला तो कभी चेंज नहीं होगा, वाइफ को आके बोला ये यार बच्चे बड़े नालायक हैं। सो आर ऑल द 3 थिंग्स मैचिंग, मनसा वाचा कर्मणा? नो। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट क्रिएट्स अ डिल्यूजन इन माई माइंड, अ कंफ्यूजन इन माई ओन माइंड। इट्स लाइक आई एम वांट टू ड्राइव द व्हीकल स्ट्रेट, मैं गियर 1 लगाना चाहिए मेरे को आगे बढ़ना, लेकिन मैं रिवर्स गियर लगा देता हूँ हमेशा। तो गाड़ी कभी मूव करेगी नहीं, ऑब्वियसली आगे नहीं जाएगी, उसके पीछे जाएगी। सो इन माई ऑफिस ऑल्सो, विदाउट हैविंग एनी एक्सपेक्टेशन फॉर द पर्सन टू चेंज, आई जस्ट नीड टू फोकस ऑन माई मनसा वाचा कर्मणा, दैट ओके आई एक्सेप्ट दैट दिस पर्सन इज नॉट गोइंग टू लिसन टू मी, सेकेंड लेवल में। बट नाउ इन द थर्ड लेवल, लेट मी ट्राई समथिंग एल्स, लेट मी एक्सपेरिमेंट कि मैं मन से सोचूं किसी न किसी दिन ये चेंज होगा ही होगा, बिकॉज हर कोई इंसान एक जैसा नहीं होता है, हमेशा कोई ना कोई एक्सपीरियंस होता है लाइफ में जो किसको चेंज करता ही करता है जी, होता ही होता है 100%, राइट? एवरी डे इज नॉट संडे ऑल्सो। सो like an example of this COVID-19, only so many people are changing their behaviors and so many people are changing the patterns. So sometimes out of situations they make you work harder. Sometimes somebody who's lazy becomes suddenly very active because of certain situations. We have experienced that in our life. Right? So अगर हम शुद्ध भावना रखें तो कोई नुकसान है?
नुकसान तो नहीं, just we have to be patient.
Yes. So आ गया acceptance, patience.
To me, the way I was thinking,
right?
It becomes like a map, MAP.
Exactly.
In first situation you manage.
Right.
Second, you accept.
Accept.
Yeah, you accept whatever is happening.
Right.
Third is you have patience.
And super improvise.
About positivity.
Exactly. Have good wishes for that soul. Use the same vocal.
And be positive about him everywhere and just think things may change.
Yes, and even if your colleagues say कि यार वहाँ ओपिनियन देखा अभी तक वैसे का वैसे, you say हो सकता है उसको टाइम मिल जाए, टाइम देना चाहिए किसी को भी चेंज होने के लिए. That means you cut off the negativities because that soul is getting those vibrations every time, right?
True.
So if 10 people in the office are talking negative about one person, what kind of energies is that person getting to even change himself? Maybe उसके अंदर ताकत ही नहीं है वो सही टाइम पे आने की. उसके अंदर आत्मा के अंदर इतनी इसके अंदर कमजोरी है कि उसके घर में इतनी प्रॉब्लम्स चल रही हैं ऑलरेडी कि वो जब लेट पहुंचता है वहाँ पे एज अ पीएन इन द ऑफिस, हम उसको और 10 सुना देते हैं और 10 लोगों के पास में जाकर उसकी बुराई कर देते हैं, तो उसको कितनी ताकत मिल रही है हमसे, टेलीपैथी कितनी अच्छी मिल रही है हमसे, उसको कितनी पावर मिल रही है.
It depends whether he is doing it deliberately or whether he is doing by circumstances.
It's okay, but at the end of the day, what should we give him? एक पैसे को भी हम बोलते हैं ना, घर से एक पैसे को भी वापस पैसा नहीं लौटाना चाहिए, राइट? है ना, हम तो उसको हमने फिजिकल पानी के लिए बोल दिया हमने कि हाँ पानी उसको देना चाहिए, कोई पैसा हो. अब किसी के अंदर कोई कमी है, किसी के अंदर कोई कमजोरी है, चाहे उसके अंदर वो डिसिप्लिन की कमी है, जैसे हमने एक्सेप्टेंस मान लिया हमने अपने केस में, हमने अभी मान लिया कि हमारे अंदर पेशेंस होनी चाहिए, हो सकता है उसके अंदर डिसिप्लिन की कमी हो, तो हमें उसको सहानुभूति देनी चाहिए कि उसको हमें टोकना चाहिए.
सही बात,
राइट. सो अब दूसरे लोग भी 10 लोग भी अगर उसको नेगेटिव एनर्जी दे रहे हैं तो हमें उनको क्या बोलना चाहिए? चलो उसको टाइम मौका तो दो. अगर वो भी देखो, आपने जैसे बोला कि मैं 10 बारी चांस दिया, 20 बारी चांस दिया, कितनी बारी चांस दें? पेशेंस की बात आ गई. नाउ पेशेंस इन डिफरेंट पीपल इज अ डिफरेंट लेवल. आई हैव टू सी मेरे में कितनी पेशेंस लेवल है.
Yeah, so it ultimately boils down to me.
Everything turns around to me. So at the end of the day, I cannot put any kind of responsibility onto other people, because what is happening is I'm giving my power away to that person to decide my mood and my reactions and my thoughts towards that person.
Very true.
So if I'm always thinking negative about that person, and that person is revolving in my mind, and that person's negativity is revolving in my mind. So how can I be positive? We say in spirituality, पर चिंतन करने से better है स्वचिंतन करो. स्वचिंतन मतलब कि मेरे को क्या चेंज करना है उसके बारे में, उसकी सोच के बारे में क्या सोचूं मैं, ना कि उसके अंदर क्या कमी है. So we say we have to be positive, but positive doesn't mean that I look at somebody's negative and then try to force him to be positive. It's like putting the first gear and then putting the reverse gear. I want somebody to change, but I have to look at the negative in him.
Very true.
It's like मेरे को पवित्र पानी पीना है, लेकिन उसके अंदर मेरे को एक ड्रॉप पॉइजन की डाल के पीना है. Are we understanding?
No. I'm definitely understanding. Some clarity is definitely coming in.
Yeah, so it boils down to me at the end. That means mansa, vacha, karmana is the basics of everything, and you have very rightly said patience, acceptance. So these 3 stages are there. First तो यह जो जैसा है छोड़ दो, लेकिन हम वो नहीं कर पाते ना अपने बहुत क्लोज फैमिली मेंबर्स के साथ में या क्लोज पीपल के साथ में. यार जो है जैसा है ना. तो चॉइस कौन सी रह गई है? एक तो एक्सेप्टेंस की चॉइस रह गई है, और एक थर्ड चॉइस रही है गुड विशेस
Yeah, maybe it's an effort from your side to try to improve him if you can.
Exactly.
By being positive about him.
Exactly.
No.
Is there any other choice?
Yeah, but that is a choice. It has to become a habit.
Actually, that is where we discussed about कि एक बारी गुस्सा कर दिया, एक बारी प्यार से बोल दिया, एक बारी गुस्सा कर दिया, एक बारी प्यार से बोल दिया.
So it should become your nature.
Yeah, so I have to work on myself for making that as a nature. नहीं तो आगे वाला कंफ्यूज हो जाएगा. Pardon?
Like weather of Darjeeling will always be good, not like Delhi weather which can change any time.
Actually we say दार्जिलिंग में weather जिस तरीके से चेंज होता है उतना फास्ट तो कोई इंसान भी नहीं चेंज होता है.
Because I've never been there, so I don't know.
Oh, you're most welcome. Come and have a look.
No, if you're given a chance, I would definitely love to. So,
wonderful.
So I think let's conclude. It has been very long.
Yes. Today it has been very long, but I'll be editing it and.
please. And I hope it made some sense to. It definitely made good sense to me. I don't know whether it made sense to you or some other people.
Oh, it did. And actually, if you see all the three things, if you conclude it, we see all the three things of mind, words, and actions.
Yeah.
It pertains to all the three examples which we took, relating to being a teacher also, related to being an air hostess also, or a father or mother. If you apply the three aspects in all the three things, it works.
True. Very true.
It works in all the three aspects.
Right.
ठीक है.
Right.
Okay, Agarwal ji, thank you so much.
Thank you
so much for your beautiful questions.
I hope it didn't disturb you.
No, it is very interesting because it's not about that there's a question and there's an answer. We are going deeper into behavior and philosophy and psychology of human beings. And there are various aspects which you have put it very nicely. There's so many angles which you bring about, and it is very, very important because this is how, there will be questions within every person. We can't take it in only one angle.
Very, very true.
We can't only take it in one angle.
In our engineering concepts,
right,
in contracts, there is normally arbitration.
Right.
And in my understanding of arbitration, the fact is a fact. Right. You can't distort the fact.
Right.
But the beauty is how distort you can. The truth remains the truth.
Right. Different angles are there to look at it.
But which angle you look at it and how convincing you can put it.
Right.
At this truth being the truth is probably this spirituality was all about. How you look at it.
Exactly. Drishtikon.
How you look at it. The Drishtikon. I mean, how do you look at it?
Exactly.
Right.
Very beautifully said.
If that is changed, probably things will change.
Exactly. So at the end of the day. Sorry?
No, जैसे लोग कहते हैं किसी के लिए पत्थर है किसी के लिए भगवान है.
Exactly. अब मैंने अगर काला चश्मा लगा दिया तो मेरे को अंधेरा ही दिखेगा, लेकिन अगर मैं काला चश्मा हटा दूं तो मेरे को दिन दिखेगा. अगर दिन में रहकर के
तो काला चश्मा कई बार धूप से बचने के लिए लगाया जाता है.
हाँ, वो लगाते हैं. एग्जैक्टली. कि भैया हमने काला चश्मा लगाया है, सेकंड केस में हम आपको एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं आप जैसे हो. हमारा दृष्टिकोण आपके प्रति वही रहेगा कि आप काले हो हमारे लिए.
काले हो या मेरे को सब एक ही नजर के दिखाई देंगे.
एग्जैक्टली.
आई हैव ऑल सेम व्यू पॉइंट फॉर ऑल.
एग्जैक्टली. दैट मीन्स जो भी मेरे कलीग्स हैं, जो भी मेरे फैमिली मेंबर्स, सब एक ही जैसे उनके साथ बिहेव करूं, एक ही तरीके से उनको देखूं, फिर दुनिया में फिर क्रिएटिविटी खत्म हो जाएगी. हर कोई एक जैसे दिखेगा फिर.
Very true.
Wonderful.
So I will wait for your edited version. I hope it helps me at least, if not anyone else.
Surely. And I was just thinking, Agarwal ji, isko I think should we put it into 2 different episodes, आधे घंटे का? That will be better, or maybe 15-20 minutes का?
Sir, I leave it to you how you want to put it.
Surely.
Right.
ठीक है.
Right, because I only said what I felt from my heart.
Very true. Very
right.
true.
It was not to harm anyone or harass anyone or to expose anyone.
Sure.
But that's the way I felt the life is. After 55 years of age, I've gone through so much of experience. This is where what I feel, what I observe, what I feel from. I normally give examples of daily life to my staff and other to say my point or prove my point.
Very true.
Sometimes they like it, sometimes don't like it, but my point is conveyed.
Exactly.
Right. So I normally pick the daily example. That is exactly what I said, even about oil or something like that.
Right.
So because, right. So what I said is from the heart.
Very true. Very true. What is there inside you actually?
Yeah.
Your experiences.
So your experiences. So if someone can take a lead from it, fine. If someone can hurt about it, I'm sorry.
No, it's very fine. It's very fine. Nobody is hurt about it.
Yeah. Right,
okay.
Right.
Okay, sir. Okay, Agarwalji. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye.